Yes, Mr. Nell, we've come to the end of the defence case.
Indeed, my lady.
What is the way forward? When will counsel be ready to argue?
My lady, we've agreed on the following dates, and may I mention them?
Yes.
That if it pleases the court, that the state will file their heads of argument on the 30th of July. The defence will then file their heads of argument on the 4th of August. And we will argue this matter on the 8th and the 9th of August, my lady.
You've got it wrong?
7 and 8.
It's the 7th. No, it's the 7th. We're talking about Thursday and Friday.
Thursday and Friday.
Then it must be the 7th
it's 7 and 8.
the 8th. Yes.
I had it wrong. 7 and 8.
Yes.
My lady, may I also ask the court to make an order in the following, that there will be no publication of the contents of the heads of argument in either the print or electronic media until such time that argument has commenced in court. My lady, we've had in the past that documents leaked to the media, and it's my respectful view that where we argue matters, that should not be argued in the public domain, but it should be argued in court, and whatever happens during the argument should be published, and that is important, but not before the time. So, my lady, if the court pleases, the court should read something like that. There will be no publication of the contents of the heads of argument in either the print or electronic media until such time that argument has...
You're too fast. Until such time, yes?
Argument has commenced in court. May I also ask, my lady, that the court orders that we file the heads on your registrar and not the registrar of court, so that that it's not a public document up until such time that we argue.
I think that's how it's done.
Yes,
not so.
Usually we file it with the registrar to get a stamp, and it's then distributed.
No.
Okay. We will do it in that.
This is a matter for this court.
Yes.
Yes.
That's a good business.
Yeah, it's very concerning what you've just said, but I know it has happened in the past.
Yes, ma'am.
That it's theft, in fact. People leak out documents which are not supposed to be leaked out.
Indeed, ma'am.
And whoever uses it is not only, doing a disservice to justice, but is also a thief. It's as simple as all that.
Indeed, ma'am.
I shall grant the order unless Mr. Rue, do you want to say something?
We have discussed it, and
Thank
we
you.
agree with that.
This is the order that I grant: no publication of the contents of the heads of argument either in print or electronic media is allowed until such time that argument has commenced in court.
As the court pleases.
Thank you. Let me just get this straight. The 30th of July, that's a Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am.
That's when I get heads of argument from the state.
Indeed, ma'am.
And Monday, the 4th of August, that's when I get heads of arguments from the defense.
That's indeed so. Thank you, my lady.
And then argument will be on the 7th and the 8th
Indeed,
of August. Thank you very much.
As the court pleases.
This matter then is postponed to the 7th of August 2014 at 9:30 in the morning for argument.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases, my lady.